Hi, this is Melanie. Welcome back. Today I am going to try another recipe beyond burger. I got the fried rice and the burger recipe ready. Today I'm just gonna do a quick and simple salad with the Beyond Burger. I got a pack of 8, so gotta do something with it. So here, just get some medium heat going, and I'm just gonna use one patty this time. Because one patty is plenty for just me. It has like 20 grams of protein for this one patty. And while that is going for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up my salad. Just some mixed green here and a slice of onion. Keep them up, sprinkle them around, or just toss them around. And then this was one Roma tomato. Chunk them up. I like them chunked, so you can slice them or have them half. In the meantime, flip them over. Don't forget, because I did. They tend to get a little burned easily because I think it has the juice stuff outside. I have about 1 egg here and just chunk them up. Also add in here maybe a tablespoon of craisins. I like this kind. It's not too bad, but got a little sweet going on. See, it's just a little char there. I just kind of scrape it off, and it's good. This is the Beyond Burger meatless. Pretty moist. Just chunk them up, just everything chunked up. Keep them up. And set them up here just like so. Sprinkle them around. There you go. It's so quick and simple. Isn't that easy? And I'm going to just use like this dressing that I have here. The blueberries or something is almost out. This is all I have left. That's how good it is. We're going through these jars like a lot, like very fast. Don't dump the whole thing in here. This is all I have left, so bottoms up for this one, but don't bump too much. This is vinaigrette, oil and vinaigrette. And dig in. I really like this. The combination of the meat and, well, meatless and the protein. This has a lot of protein. Eggs also got protein. And your greens, your veggies. So I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try. Check out my other videos for fried rice, Beyond Burger fried rice. I'll be posting more recipes on more burgers, chicken burgers and beef burger. If you want Vietnamese, Asian, home cooked, gardening and more, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.